In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation bar in Blogger. If you want to make your blog easier to explore, adding a navigation bar is a simple and effective improvement. A navigation bar helps visitors move between important pages on your site, and in Blogger you can add one directly from the layout settings without needing to write any code. To get started, look to the left side menu inside your Blogger dashboard and click on Layout. This is where you manage the structure of your blog, including the placement of widgets and content sections. Once you're in the layout area, find a spot directly under your header. That location usually works best for a navigation bar because it places the menu near the top of the page where visitors can easily see it. When you find the section under the header, click Add a Gadget. This opens a pop-up window showing the different gadgets Blogger lets you insert into your blog layout. In that list, look for the gadget called Pages. The Pages gadget is what Blogger uses to create a menu made from your site's pages, which makes it the right choice for building a basic navigation bar. When you see Pages in the list, click the plus sign next to it to add the gadget to your blog. Once added, Blogger will place it in the section you selected, and that becomes your navigation bar area. This is the core step that creates the menu on your blog. As you do this, it's a good idea to make sure you're adding the gadget in the exact location where you want it displayed, especially under the header, since placement affects how clean and professional your blog looks. If your theme supports it well, this area will usually display the menu prominently across the top of the page. That's all you need to do to add the navigation bar itself in Blogger. It's a quick setup, but it makes a big difference in how organized your blog feels to readers. If you're customizing your blog layout, small changes like this can really improve usability and help visitors find key sections faster. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have a navigation bar added to your Blogger site in just a moment.